So small statements I will tell. Then you can search and find out the statements. So you have to tell a proper answer there. Okay, like your understanding type. Okay, so you have to tell proper answer. Look at here, guys. This is internet. Okay, normally I am telling, not like a exact like. Okay, so this is internet. So this is my private network. This is my private network. Yeah, one more is there, that is nat and pat is there. So I didn't told about network at nat pat kind of stuff. If possible I will take the class separately, that one. This is my private, means my LAN network. So my office, my servers, my storage servers, my printers, or my desktops, my laptops, everything is inside my private. So whenever want to communicate outside, then what we required, we need a router, right? So we need a router. So this is my default gateway. This is my router. So symbolic representation of router is round symbol. Does not mean router is look like a round. Router is also like a square box or a rectangle box only. Okay, it's like a rectangle box, not even a square. It is a rectangle box only. Okay, some people think router is a symbol is round, so then it is a R is root, and round is a symbol. So people think it is a round in shape. The shape is not round in shape, it is a rectangle shape only. Okay, guys. So this is a router. Okay, make a network connects, and we have a modem. So then we are connecting to internet like this. Now what happened when you are connected to internet? You want a internet, you are connected to internet through modem. So right, internet is connected. Now what I have to do, now internet is came into room, right? So router is for distribute the internet or connecting different networks like that one, right? So this is I am getting internet. So what I am doing is I put a firewall here. Firewall is also a device. It's like a switch only. Okay, it look like a switch only. So firewall is also a physical device, or can be a server, maybe a application also we can use it. What is this firewall will do? Okay, so what is this firewall will do? Firewalls protect your network. Like whenever a packet is coming on its own way, packet is coming, internal packet, it will check it, what type of packet it is, what is their IP address or network address, or it is a protocol. Okay, protocol, is it accessible, is a request or reply, is a request or response, it will check it. So based on that, either it is yellow or deny. Okay, so here it is, two ways this firewall will work. For from communicating from inside to outside, outside to inside communication. For example, I open a web page, just I open a web page like this. Okay, I've opened a web page. So my firewall, my built-in software firewall, forward this packet to the w3schools.com. So it let it forward, and when it is reaches w3schools.com, it replies back to me. It replies back to me. So this is function of basic function of firewall. But someone send a packet directly to me. I am not requesting him. I am not requesting. I am not doing anything. And there is no public servers. This is entirely private connection. No public access. I want to access public, I will access. Otherwise, no access. So someone send a packet to my PC directly. Okay. What happened? Firewall will check. There is a no request for your server, why you are replying, why you are sending a packet to here. So then it will drop the packet like that. Firewall will protect. This is one scenario. Okay, so one is you send a packet and to the certain destination reach that request, and you are getting reply from it. So firewall allow that kind of communication. Either you are sending or receiving, you can put a checkpoint here. Either you are sending or receiving, you are checking a point. Are you allowed to send this packet to this destination? Are you allowed to send through this kind of protocols, port numbers, application connectivity? So firewall will verify those things also. So we can put a inbound outbound. So for sending and receiving also firewall rules we can apply, whether it is allowed or a deny. We should give word is allow or deny through firewall, either incoming or outgoing. And very importantly, direct incoming packet without requesting, there is some packet you are getting through your net to your network, so that is always blocked. Okay, that is called a firewall, guys. Understand firewall? What is the function of firewall?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Now it is a VPN. So VPN, proxy, lease. There is a three things are important. What is this lease? A lease means I have a corporate office in Hyderabad. I have a means supporting Hyderabad is there, and for example New Jersey or San Francisco, something somewhere, and there is a database servers are there. Here is a database client is there, or maybe there is a servers also there. These should be directly connected and sync to these servers. Like here is a server contains a data. I want to access directly without involving outside public internet. Okay, it is there in a public, but it is like that. So what happened? These are connected with a dedicated connection called a leased lines. Okay, so there is a standards called a 1T, 1E kind of stuff standards also there. You can try. Here it is 1T or a T1. So it is always confusion. T1, E1. Yeah, here it is a T1, E1 lines are there. It is a private or leased line services. Okay, each having a different type of frequencies are there. T1 having a different type of speed, E1 having a different type of speeds also there. Like as I know, T1 is a 1.544 Mbps. 1.544 Mbps. Okay, T1. Okay, so like this is a T1 E1 leased lines. We use it for connecting the one branch or a office to another office. Their infrastructures or servers we can able to sync or communicate or transfer the data, not with a general public broadband connection. Okay, our broadband, guys, like I am getting a broadband, right? ACT broadband or a Geo broadband, Airtel broadbands. What is this broadband? Is like a highway road. Broadbands are like a highway road. Morning 6 o'clock, how much traffic? Very less. 7 o'clock, traffic increases little. 8, started little rush. 9, rush. 10, traffic jam. So you want to go somewhere, you have to start by 6 o'clock or 7 o'clock. 8 is okay. Like if you lesser distance, 8 is okay, no problem. By 9 you can reach there. But you started at 9, there is no guarantee like you reach at 10. You start at 10, so you can return to your home after afternoon, like that one. Okay, you reach office by 1 o'clock and you have to start by again, have a lunch and come back. Then you reach evening 6 o'clock or 7 o'clock. So that is usually Hyderabad status. Okay, so traffic is increases, right, and decreases again. So after 6 full, 7, 8, 9, 10, like that, you go like that, the traffic will be decreases. So this is broadband. It means up to speeds you will get it, up to 50 Mbps. Meaning is you may get 50 Mbps or may not get 50 Mbps. So you may get 40, you may get 30, you may get 20, you may get 50 again. Depends upon load and the internet. So you'll change. For example, Geo is the best example again. Why Geo is the best example? When Geo is started, that time means 3 years, 4 years back, or 5 years back, I think so. Geo started 5 years back only, right? So when it is started, that time very less customers, high speed data, like, so people open a phone and they are connected. So very big data they can download these things. They can able to do it, right? So that is Geo with high speed data transmission, unlimited data is there. So slowly after 3 months, maximum people are purchased. Data bandwidth reduced 40 Mbps to 30, 30 to 25, like that. Sometimes some people are given still giving, so we don't know how much speed we will get now. It is variable. So it depends upon demand on the internet. Okay, demand. The lot of people are generating a traffic, the speed will be reduced. But these leased lines standard speed. For example, if I taken a 10 Mbps, it says 10 Mbps dedicated speed. Okay. So for example, if I take 10 Mbps speed, it's a 10 Mbps dedicated speed I am getting. Okay. One point to another point direct connection, so you don't have to worry about any other interference. Secured. It is secured because it's a direct line. So this exchange, this side exchange and this side exchange will agree to provide this connection. You have to pay amount, you have to pay for a particular extra amount, not an internet amount. It is a very high cost also there. So this is a leisure line, guys. Then what is this VPN? Virtual private network. What is VPN? Virtual private network. How it is works, how it is works, we look at here. So I cannot offer lease line every time. So what I have done, I'm working from home. Okay, there is a like a small branch is there. For example, Pune branch is there. Pune branch don't have very big equipment, but still I want a connectivity. So what happened? I'll put a VPN server here. I'll put a VPN server. Okay, so Pune branch servers or maybe their connectivity, their laptops connected to this VPN through regular internet. Okay, so regular internet only, through our the internet only we can able to connect it. Public internet. Or I'm doing a work from home. Okay, so I have to connect to this database server. So I cannot connect. So what I will do, through VPN server I can able to connect it from my home, from my laptop. I can connect it. Okay, so what is the use of this VPN? So we don't require these legal lines, or you cannot able to offer the legal lines for everywhere. So then we'll go to VPN, virtual private network. So we are connecting and communicating through public network only, but virtual it is a private network. How it is? It encrypts, the lines, okay, and use the different terminal protocols. Okay, communicates through internet, public network, community, communicates through internet, public community without public network. Okay, so through public through internet. Okay, by encrypting data and using also it uses tunnel tunneling protocols tunneling protocols. Okay, example L2TP. Okay, SSTP, layer 2 tunneling protocol, secure socket tunneling protocol, PPTP, point to point tunneling protocol, IKE, Internet Key Exchange. It's not a tunneling protocol. Name is not tunneling protocol. This type of protocols it use to connectivity means within the public network only it creates the communication. The entire packet is very secure. So because its data is encrypted and also data is traveling through tunnels to tunnels only. So this is the use of this private network. So what is a virtual private network, guys? So it is we can able to connect it to our infrastructure or remote servers or a remote corporate office infrastructure through VPN. Okay, through VPN we can able to connect it. So we are communicating or connecting. Okay. Otherwise, I write that point only. Then we can connect. We can connect. We can connect our corporate office remote servers corporate offices remote servers. Okay, remote servers we can connect to office without the dedicated lines through internet. So that is important, through internet. Okay, public by encrypting data using tunneling protocols like this. Okay, here it is dedicated lines, leased lines cannot offerable everywhere. Okay, so we cannot affordable. Yeah, that is a good one. So we cannot affordable these leased lines everywhere. So we use VPN. Okay, so guys, that is the main points here. So we can connect our private corporate office or remote servers through VPN through internet using VPN using VPN by encrypting the data and using using tunneling protocols like a L2TP, SSTP, PPTP, IKE. Okay, instead of using dedicated lines, we can use VPN. The proxy is unable to fit here, so I told about this is firewall. I give an explanation. I didn't give any information about firewall. Firewalls check incoming and outgoing traffic. Incoming, outgoing traffic. So better it is remove all this drawing like this. Okay, I'm removing all the drawings. It is creating some. Okay, it checks incoming, outgoing traffics, verify in ACL list, either yellow or deny the verify with the ACL list, access control list. Okay, access control list, either it is can be allow or a deny. It will be allow the traffic or a deny the traffic. Exactly say it is filters the traffic, filters the traffic. Okay, it protects our network from attacks. Normally, okay, we are not rushing on it more. It protects from attacks. So, well, some point we should know about it. Yeah, it is a little bit more time we are taken. So, lot of people know what is proxy or VPN. Proxy and VPN. There is two things are there. Okay, so you know VPN also like that. So what we a lot of people using a VPN for their mobile phones. So like a Nord VPN kind of stuff. I'm not using. Still, I have a doubts in it. But look at here. So how that VPN will works. So here is a VPN server. Someone is maintaining this VPN server, right? So this is your mobile phone or your computer, PC or laptop kind of stuff. So you are using a VPN client software. This is a VPN client. This is the VPN server. You are connected to internet. So this is a dedicated internet connection. So when you are using a VPN connectivity, first request go to this VPN server through internet only. Request go to VPN server. In VPN server, they will verify your data. What is your username, password, email ID, like that. What are the process? You paid amount for a VPN. Some VPNs are paid services also there. Some are free services are there. So no one will judge like a free service is danger or a free service is better or a paid service is no danger. We can't tell like that one. Okay, so whatever it is, so based on username and password, the connectivity will be established from your site to VPN. So what is this VPN? It modify your IP address. Okay, as it is showing, you are connecting through. You are connecting from here. Okay, for example, here is a server is in America. There is a server. For example, Amazon.com is there. Amazon dot in India. Amazon.com America, right? So you are want to open and purchase something in Amazon.com or a Prime Videos or a Netflix, American Netflix, not Indian Netflix. Okay, American Netflix you want to watch it. So what it is, you want to open US based Netflix. Okay, so this is US based. So what this VPN person is doing, it is telling you are sending a packet, and packet is generated and transferred within America only. So this server thinks the packet received from within the American continent only. That entire American, where the allowed states are there, they think it is came from there only. And reality is you are accessing this site through the VPN. This is what we are using. Not I am not using, but if anyone is using VPNs, so what they will do, the VPN, when your connection is established, so it will create a private IP network kind of stuff. So they will take request from you. They'll take a request from you and forward the request to outside with a different IP network. So obviously, people think it is came from the particular location kind of stuff, and a lot of people use it, like a lot of VPN to VPN, like a hackers. What they will do, they use several VPN private servers. Okay, a lot of VPNs are there. Okay, you cannot trace it back because of this much of tracebacks. It's very difficult. So they will things like a packet forward to one VPN server, then another one, then another one, then like this and like this, and again like this and like this, maybe like so. It keep rotating. So then what happened? So when we are received a packet, you want to trace it back, it will show so many paths. So that is the what VPN we are using that time, this kind of VPNs, usually for hacking or manipulating your IP network, both public and private. Public network. Okay, so why telling this story again? So I told already what is VPN server in the organization wise, but why telling, because to tell proxy. Guys, this is the proxies again. Actually, we have to draw the things with these boxes, but lesser the time. This is a computer PCA. This is another computer PCB. This is another computer, for example, PCs. All are connected in the network. Sorry, are all connected in the network. So better we have to take a good boxes kind of stuff like that. Okay. Now this is two-way connection like this. This is B, C, and this is my proxy server. This is my proxy server. What it will do, internet is connected to this one only. Okay, this internet is connected to this is my LAN network. For example, you want to send a packet to something like a google.com. I want to access something from the google.com. A packet sent to the proxy server. A packet will send to proxy server. Proxy server manipulates this packet source and destination kind of stuff. Change the destination, put the destination IP is, what is the source IP? Sorry, source IP is belongs to A, right? Source IP is belongs to A here. But when it is sending to here, the source IP is belongs to my proxy only, proxy server IP address only. Again, same. B want to send. B is sending. Source IP is B's IP. B's IP. Proxy server received and change the packet. Put a source IP as a proxy server IP address. So what that is a proxy server is doing. But is it masks original IP address it is doing behalf of kind of stuff. English. Okay. Sends packets to destination with its own IP address, like B of okay, like a better I will behalf of the device, or you can say like a network. Okay, so you want to send a packet, so it is a packet IP address will be changed and send its own with its own IP address, like a behalf of that PC. Okay, so instead of that, so it is completely for security, it is used for a security and attacks also. Okay, use it for security and attacks also. So both are used there. Okay, so these are the important things, so try to understand. Again guys, once more we'll go to office kind of stuff. Sorry, what we are discussed today is about cables. We discussed coaxial cable, and also we discussed about fiber optical cables and twisted pair cables. Then we discussed about the devices, hubs, switches, routers, and modem. And also we discussed about Wi-Fi routers, wireless access points. Okay, how small office, small home, like how we are connected, like we have a modem come, a router is there, right, that is connected to WAN connectivity, and we are connected through Wi-Fi or a wide connection. Okay, so this is what that is the explanation, right? Firewalls, VPNs, and proxy servers. If you possible, just try to search and how it is connected, like that kind of stuff. Also do it because it's 2 o'clock, so have a lunch and join in technical session, sorry, communication session. Also go through networking comments. Okay, so I will forward, if possible I will forward some questions, or maybe it belongs to things. Okay, explanation about last time I explained OSs and Windows operating system, Windows and Linux differences. So explanation is also there what to do. So I will search and I will send 1 or 2 videos extra guys, compulsory, go through it. That's it for today. How many people are there? I
Okay,
don't
sir.
know. So then, okay, thank you.
Thank you, sir.